Come on, easy question. Okay. Another hard question. Alright. Given an array nums consisting of only 0, 1, and 2's, return the number of different subsequences that are special. And special means if it consists of positive number of 0's, followed by also positive number of 1's, positive number of 2's. Since the answer is large, return it modulo 10 to the power of 9 plus 7. Subsequence of an array is a sequence that can be derived from the array by deleting some unknown elements without changing the order of the remaining elements. Two subsequences are different if the set of indices chosen are different. So you have 10 to the power of 5 numbers. Okay, that's quite a lot of numbers. Let me think. It's definitely DP, so dynamic programming. What would the subproblem be? Well, I guess the answer for a sub-array. But I can't do n-squared subarrays. I have to do maybe starting from the first and then continue. When I add another number, all I can do is add to the answer all that this extends. Fair enough. I think I have a better idea how to solve this. If I have a DP I1, number of subsequences ending with a 1, ending with a 0, number of subsequences ending with a 2. So let's say, for example, we added 2, then I add to this DP position, whatever this is, which could be 0. What if I see a 0? If I see a 0, then I just add 1 to this, because I could be starting a new subsequence ending at 0, or I double this as well, because I'm adding this to all previous zeros. So I get 2 times this plus 1 if I see a 0. So if nums at I is equal to 0, I want dp I at 0 times equals to 2, and also dp I 0 plus plus. If nums I is equal to 1, this will be equal to whether I add it to itself, which would be times 2, or dp of I 1 plus equals to dp of I 0. So that means I add it to a subsequence ending at 0. If nums I is equal to 2, I could be adding it to itself or a subsequence ending at 1. And I don't need all of n space. I could just do this in constant space because I don't need to keep track of the previous dp values. I also have to make sure I return the answer modulo this. Do I have to take the modulus as I go along? Maybe. Most likely. Let's give that a go. So I have, let's type def long as ll, and then we can say ll zeros, 1s, 2s for int I is equal to 0, I less than nums.size plus I. If nums of I is equal to 0. Okay, actually I haven't tested whether this works or not yet, so let me see. Let's try an example. 0, 1, 2. When I see the 0, this becomes a 1. These are zeros initially. When I see the 1, I multiply this value by 2, which is 0, plus the number of zeros, which is 1. For the 2 here, when I see the 2, I multiply this 0 by 2, which is just 0, and then I add 1 to that, so that's just 1. And then I see the 2 here, I multiply this value 1 by 2, so that's 2 plus the values here, which is 1. So that's going to be 3. You know what? I could just copy and paste this. 1, 1s, 0s, 2s, 2s, 1s, and at the end return 2s. Let's do the modulus thing. So const static int mod is equal to 1e9 plus 7. 0s modulus equals to mod 1's modulus equal to mod, 2's modulus equals to mod. That's 7. I don't know. Let's see. Nice. Not bad. Not bad. That's the first time I actually did a hard question that's not actually that hard on the first go. So kind of proud of that. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Keep yeeting the code, and I'll see you in the next video.